My name is Paolo Timoni. I've been a management consultant for many years. I was a partner at McKinsey. Then I was a senior executive in a mid-cap consumer company doing a turnaround and IPO. And most recently, I was the founder of an online marketplace, which I exited June last year. Currently, I am a co-founder and a managing partner of AUGEO Capital, which is an investment firm based in New York City, which I co-founded with some partner of mine that is looking into the opportunity to invest into technology startup here in Korea. Korea is a great economy with some great companies, a very talented workforce. It's an economy that has made amazing progress over the last years, and as an emerging tech ecosystem with a lot of support from the local government. As investor, we are very interested in being on frontier and creating a position in emerging tech ecosystem, and this is why we're here. A few elements to our investment thesis, because in a smaller market, I think you need to be able to be more flexible, contrary to a large market like the US, where you can really specialize and have a significant pipeline of opportunities. But I think that what interests us can be grouped into macro categories. The first one is what we call people that are changing the future of work. And so it's all related to increasing productivity and facilitated trade and commerce. Here, we see opportunities in big data, so companies that has proprietary local big data opportunities with machine learning and artificial intelligence. We look at what we call coaching system or platform, so always based on data and machine learning to support decision making. Also deskless workforce and vertical application. Somehow we like enterprise SaaS. Probably the time for horizontal application is over, but there will be potential in vertical application. And then advanced manufacturing and collaborative robots, being Korean such an advanced manufacturing country. On the consumer side, it's network and platforms that are broadening the access to knowledge, capital, and well-being. So in this group, we see edutech as an interesting field, fintech, and services tailored to specific demographic groups like the millennials. Well, first of all, as we are an early stage investor, we look for a good founder market fit. I think that there is a lot of people with good ideas and there is a lot of problems that are in search of a solution. It is most difficult to find a team that has real expertise in relation to the problem that they want to solve. And the second thing is some form of traction, some evidence that there is at least a preliminary product market fit. We believe we can add value based on our personal history and experience in helping this company finalize the product market fit not only domestically with an eye to a regional play, or in some cases in a global play. I think that what is important to underline here that we are not only interested in companies that want to attack the US market or the European market, but we are also very interested in companies that are focusing on Asia or sub-region of Asia as their market. Yes, we are early stage. Officially we started our meeting and scouting about 5 weeks ago, but we are already talking to interesting company, interesting investors. Somehow our approach as a foreigner is that we want to invest in Korean company, but we want to invest alongside some local investors, right? And this is how we are proceeding. They need to think a little bit more internationally. Korea is a great market, but it's a small market. The difference between a small, medium-sized enterprise and a startup is that a startup has the potential to scale. And it is much easier to accomplish that if the thinking of creating something that will scale regionally went early on in the definition of the plan. And the second thing is to make sure that there is data to support the traction, right? Because just having a product with a lot of feature is not going to be in the most benefit for these founders, right? Well, write to our email address, which is hello@augeocap.com. What is considered the elevator pitch. So a clear and professional short pitch about the problem that they want to solve, what is unique about their solution, some understanding of the size of the market that they are addressing, how much money have they raised so far and what they have accomplished with that money, and how much they are trying to raise and what they want to accomplish with that money.